See the baby duck. Lemon.
Baby duck?
Ah,
Baby duck.
that's a baby duck. And we're gonna eat it.
Yeah, yuck, there's no way I'm gonna eat that baby duck.
Come on.
No, I'm not gonna eat a honest baby duck.
Here.
What is wrong with you? People are torturers.
Look at that. See? It's a
No way I'm gonna eat that baby innocent
Baby
duck.
duck.
it's a baby duck. Come on.
There's
There's
no way I'm gonna eat a baby duck.
it's hair in it.
I'm not gonna eat it. No, I'm gonna eat the innocent duck. It's just an egg plant. I wish those things were never made.
You don't want to eat this one. Ikaw ano ba? Sayang ka ni. Elabs, ikaw na na. Bruno will eat the baby duck. Guess what?
There's no way I'm gonna eat the baby duck. No way.
It's delicious.